Welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. This is going to be the third edition of lessons that is geared towards teaching Twi words that are mostly found in Twi books but are not found in Twi dictionaries. To begin with, we're starting with this word to ne bro. To ne bro. Well, we have to, which means what? To throw the hand. To throw the hand or to catch something. But in this sense, to throw the hand, okay? And then bro, which means what? Beatings. Beatings. So literally this phrase means what? It's left with. Aka means what? It has left with. Aka, it has left with what? Throwing the hand, that is to. Then bro, beating. So it has left with just throwing the hand, then beating. Assuming someone is angry, ranting, shouting, and so on and so forth, then we say, hey, the way he's angry with the person, it has only left with just him throwing the hand, then he would have beaten the person. So akato, it has left with just casting the hand, then beating. That is just the literal meaning, okay? But what does this word mean? It means soon to happen or soon to occur. So when there is a project which is about to begin, we started the planning, say, last year, and we have just a week to start. In that moment, we can say, oh, say dear, it means right now. Say dear, akato ne bro, meaning we are about to start soon. It is soon to be started, okay? It is soon to be started. So when something is about to start or soon to start, then we say akato ne bro. Or when something is about to happen, almost time for it to happen, then we say akato ne bro. Nice. Let's go to the second word or the second phrase, and that is anwi and nwi. Anwi is just the noun form, and then nwi is what? The verb form. And what does that mean? It means grumbling or murmuring. Murmuring. That is what? Anwi. Example, I can say, na Israel for no pe anwi. Na Israel for no pe anwi. What does that mean? It means the Israelites then, I started with na, so it means it's in the past. The Israelites then like murmuring. The Israelites then like murmuring. Na Israel for no pe anwi. Good. When people murmur, it goes with what? Whispering. Hey. Whispering in Twi is known as what? And that is what? Whispering. This is simple. And when people start murmuring and whispering, at the end, they come out with their accusation. What they really want to say, they say it loud. They accuse. To accuse in Twi, we say bo sobo. Bo sobo. Bo sobo. So, with the Israelites, we can say, Israel for no bo Moses sobo. Israel for no bo Moses sobo. That means the Israelites accused Moses. So what have we learned so far? Well, so far we have learned akato ne bro. Akato ne bro, which means soon to happen. Anwi, which means grumbling or murmuring. Which means whispering. And then bosobo, which means to accuse. To accuse. All right, let me give you this short story in English, and I will want you to translate it into Twi. Can you do that? Well, the story goes like this. As the Israelites were almost at the promised land, some started murmuring against Moses. They then started whispering to each other. As a result, they accused Moses and Aaron. That is it. Can you translate this into Twi? Try it. As the Israelites were almost, in Twi, we'll translate it as what? Aka kakra bi ama Israelfoɔ no. This is the simple Twi. Aka kakra bi ama Israelfoɔ no. But in some books, you will find aka to ne bro. Aka to ne bro na Israelfoɔ no. Aka to ne bro na Israelfoɔ no. That is, as the Israelites were almost at the promised land, it will be translated as this. Adru boshe asase no sono. Promised land is boshe asase. Boshe is promise. Promise. Boshe. Land asase. At the, that is to reach the promised land, then in Twi we say adru boshe asase no so no. So it will go like this. Aka kakra bi ma Israelfoɔ no aduru boshe asase no so no. The ma, some people will also change it and write na is the same. So that one will also go like this. Aka kakra bi na Israelfoɔ no aduru boshe asase no so no. As the Israelites were almost at the promised land. Let's go to the second sentence. Some started. Some will say ebinom started. Share asie or free asie. Started. Share asie or free asie. Murmuring. Meaning against. Tia, that is against. Mose. Ebinum shasie ana or ebinum frasie ni tia Mose. They then started. Then you can say afi washasie. They then started. Then you say afi washasie. The war means what? One day. Share asie started. Because of they then, that is why I am saying afi. Afi washasie. They then started. Whispering. Afi washasie. Yeah. They then started whispering. Afi washasie ye to each other. Chre won hu. Chre won hu to each other. Won hu to each other. So in full it will go like this. Afi washasie ye chre won hu. Chre won hu. And then the final sentence. As a result, in Twi you can say it in so many ways, but let's take just one. Ni efiri mu ba ye ne se. Ni efiri mu ba ene say, if I'm to translate it literally, then I will say what came out of it. Okay? But as a result, ni efiri mu ba ene say, they accused Moses and Aaron. They, then I will say wo bo Mose ne Aaron sobo. Wo bo Mose ne Aaron sobo. They accused Moses and Aaron. I know right now you understand akatone bro. Ni bo sobo. If you did like this lesson, kindly subscribe to my channel. Or if you are a subscriber, you can share this on all your social media handles. And please, you can also give it a thumbs up, just to motivate me to give you more of such videos. Thanks for listening.